Hey, my name's Will Simpson, and welcome to Nurture Nature. Well, I'll get straight into it and tell you all about who I am and what the channel's about. Well, I guess I better start off with my life story. I was born in Brazil, moved to the US when I was 6, lived in the Northeast, or the Eastern Coast, you could say. I moved back to Brazil when I was 17. My mom is Brazilian, my dad's English, hence the quite not Brazilian name and appearance. I love fishing. I love nature. I'm pretty much obsessed with aquatic ecosystems, whether it's freshwater, saltwater. I love fish in general. I've had an aquarium quite a few times, and I'm in college actually getting my bachelor's degree in biology. I'm in my seventh semester, and one of the biggest things really that I would say is important to me and that I really created the channel to share with everybody is biodiversity, conservation, and preservation of all those things and so many species that we have that are just, on the point of nearly being extinct, and so many others that are endangered or near threatened and whatnot. And something else that I've also taken upon myself is taking care of some feral cats that live in my condominium. It's closed off condominium. I started doing this back in October of last year, and I'll tell you, it was not easy in the beginning. Gaining a feral cat's trust is not easy because, as the name suggests, they have no relation really with humans. They don't like humans. They don't trust them. And honestly, I don't blame them because, well, humans are really not the coolest. They're not really that amazing as far as you could say nature is concerned. And I mean, if you really think about it, you can see why. Not even mentioning pollution or climate change, but just our excess overconsumption of fish, for example, has just murdered some of the populations of fish like, cod and tuna, for example. But I won't get into that right now. Just pretty much giving you a summary of who I am and what this channel's about. But without further ado, I'll leave you with a short slideshow I've prepared to illustrate a bit more what I've made the video to tell you about, which is about myself and what the channel is all about. So thank you again for checking out the channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, feel free to subscribe. I'll be uploading on a regular basis. And I hope you have a great weekend. See you later.